adcreative.ai review, your ultimate solution for automated ad design. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into adcreative.ai, a cutting-edge platform that automates the creation of high-converting ad creatives. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or creative professional, this tool promises to save you time and boost your ad performance. Stay tuned to learn all about its features, benefits, and pricing. And if you decide to try adcreative.ai, the link is in the description below. Why choose adcreative.ai? Adcreative.ai stands out in the world of digital marketing for several compelling reasons. AI-powered ad creation. Using advanced AI, adcreative.ai generates a variety of ad creatives tailored to your brand and target audience. This ensures your ads are not only visually appealing but also optimized for performance. Time-saving automation. The platform significantly reduces the time spent on designing ads. With adcreative.ai, you can produce multiple ad variations in minutes, freeing you up to focus on strategy and other important tasks. Data-driven insights. Adcreative.ai leverages data to create ads that are more likely to convert. By analyzing previous ad performance and current trends, it generates creatives that are optimized for engagement and conversion. Customizable templates. While the AI does the heavy lifting, you still have the flexibility to customize templates to match your brand's look and feel. This ensures that your ads remain unique and aligned with your branding. Integration with ad platforms. adcreative.ai integrates seamlessly with major ad platforms like Facebook, Google, and Instagram. This makes it easy to upload your ad creatives directly from the platform and start your campaigns without any hassle. Performance tracking. The platform not only helps in creating ads but also provides analytics to track their performance. This way, you can make data-driven decisions and continually optimize your ad strategy. Pricing plans. adcreative.ai offers a range of pricing plans designed to meet the needs of different users. Starter plan. At $29 per month, the starter plan is perfect for freelancers and small businesses. It includes access to the AI-powered ad creation tool, a limited number of ad credits, and basic customization options. Professional plan. For $79 per month, the professional plan offers more ad credits, advanced customization, and access to premium templates. This plan is ideal for growing businesses looking to scale their ad campaigns. Business plan. Priced at $149 per month, the business plan includes unlimited ad credits, priority support, and additional integrations. This plan is best suited for larger businesses and agencies managing multiple campaigns. Enterprise plan. For those with extensive needs, the Enterprise plan offers customized solutions, including dedicated support, advanced analytics, and tailored integrations. Pricing is available upon request. Conclusion. adcreative.ai is a powerful tool for anyone looking to streamline their ad creation process and boost campaign performance. Its AI-driven approach ensures that your ads are both effective and visually appealing, saving you time and effort. Ready to revolutionize your ad campaigns with adcreative.ai? Click the link in the description to get started. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and marketing tips. See you in the next video.